What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll share how to work around the return home black screen which you might be experiencing. Essentially, the return home quest, which allows you to migrate back from the Howling Hill camp all the way up to Pale Yoon, is cool in theory, and while you're reuniting everyone who's living here with their friends and family, blah blah blah, when you eventually complete the quest, teleport back here and run towards the center, boom, you get a black screen, and that's it. Long story short, your save is pretty much cooked. What you need to do is pause others and load a save. So load a save just before the one that you're in now, where we can go to the return home quest and talk to Circus. If you don't have a save before this point, you're likely going to need to step back even further, which is heartbreaking, especially considering some of these are from 20 days ago plus. If you have a save right before you start the return home quest, make absolutely sure that you save your game, not load, whoops, save your game so that it's a permanent save. So somewhere like save number 4. Doing this gets you an up-to-date save right before this point, so you lose the least amount of progress. In order to make sure you don't get the black screen issue with the return home quest, which hopefully Pearl Abyss fix sometime soon, you'll need to make your way back to the Greymane camp and speak over here to Ross, open mission dispatch, and cancel all of your active missions. For some people, it leaves them behind in the camp and they're not taken across, you can't interact with them, etc. For other people like me, it's causing a black screen and you're unable to progress any further. Once you've done this, you can now head all the way up to, don't know why the camera was there, and right over here where we can complete the quest. So we can head all the way across to that point and speak to the dude who'll 50-50 brick our save and game. And after we finish yapping here, assuming you've pulled everyone from their different quests, we can teleport back to the Greymane camp, and fingers crossed, you should see a large wagon somewhere nearby once you pop in. So on this middle street here, as such, nope, this is gonna cause the break over here, I'm pretty sure. If you're like me on this stage, you should probably go and bumble around in the world for a little bit, teleport away and teleport back. But essentially right over here on the far north side of the camp is supposed to be a big wagon that rolls everyone away. So let's go all the way up, I don't know, here sounds pretty good. Then after this transition, let's go to a different teleporter somewhere a bit further away to make sure everything's unloaded. So there we go. And now that we have, I'll just chill out here for a bit, let some time pass. Then I'll make a new save in a completely different slot, not on top of the one which we made a couple minutes ago. I'll make it all the way at the bottom here just for safekeeping. Bang. And now, when we teleport back to the camp, this time things should be more successful, hopefully. I'll teleport here. We get a loading screen like this, which is different to what we had previously. And when we get back here, we should see a giant cart on the northern side of the camp, but we don't. Let's see if we get the issue again. No, there we go. Things worked properly. So very annoying. If your screen doesn't fade back over here, well, things are a bit messed up. This wagon that's in the background, I've seen that one. Some people see that before this cutscene, so that's why we were looking out for it. But if it's not there, I guess it's fine. Anyways, it's a 50-50. You've got to save before this quest and during this quest, at least hopefully, so you should maybe just be able to squeeze out this quest and make your way back to Pale Yoon. Anyways, best of luck. If you find a different fix, do let me know down below. This issue is affecting a lot of people, and hopefully Pearl Abyss fix it. On top of all the other issues, this is by far one of the most infuriating. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.